Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring a simple yet extremely useful tool called Semi-Transparent Logo Maker, created by Browserling. This tool lets you instantly convert any PNG logo into a semi-transparent or see-through version by adjusting just one setting, the opacity level. It's fast, free, and incredibly practical for designers, marketers, and content creators. The Semi-Transparent Logo Maker allows you to change the opacity percentage of your PNG logo. A fully visible logo has 100% opacity, but when you reduce it to 70%, 50%, 40%, or lower, it becomes increasingly translucent. Semi-transparent logos are perfect for watermarks on PDFs and Word documents. To access this tool, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head over to Semi-Transparent Logo Maker. Now, let's see 3 practical examples in action. Example 1. Create a semi-transparent Alibaba logo. First, we upload the Alibaba logo PNG into the input area. On the right side, the output preview initially shows the fully opaque logo. To make it faded and suitable for partner websites, we reduce the opacity to 40%. This changes the alpha channel of all pixels, making the logo clearly visible but softly blended into any background. The final output shows a clean, faded Alibaba logo, perfect for collaboration pages or watermark usage. Once satisfied with the result, click Save as to download the semi-transparent logo. Example 2. Make the Salesforce logo see-through. Here, we upload the Salesforce logo as the input image. The output initially displays the fully opaque logo. To make it blend smoothly into banners and presentations, we adjust the logo opacity level to 60%. This creates a balanced see-through effect where the logo remains recognizable but doesn't overpower the design. The final output shows a clean, professional, semi-transparent Salesforce logo. To download your translucent version, click Save As. Example 3. Generate a translucent AMD logo. In this example, we upload the AMD logo PNG as the input image. The output preview shows the fully visible logo. Since this version is intended for use as a product sticker where the device surface should remain slightly visible, we set the logo opacity level to 70%. This makes the logo slightly translucent while keeping it clear and recognizable. The final result is a polished, translucent AMD logo suitable for hardware branding applications. Once the effect looks perfect, click Save as to download your PNG. That's how simple and powerful the Semi-Transparent Logo Maker is. If you haven't already, make sure to check out our previous videos on Disappearing PNG Creator Part 1 and Part 2 to create animated fading effects for your logos and graphics. Now it's your turn. Try the Semi-Transparent Logo Maker yourself at onlinepngtools.com and experiment with different opacity levels for watermarks, presentations, and branding materials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful online tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.